I start my day off in the Chicago History Museum, where they display everything from baseball and the Cubs, whom they're very proud of, to how they revitalized retail, and of course, the development of the pill. It seems that Chicago has had its hand in quite a few things. This city has lots of history, and I wish I actually had more time at this museum. Of course, I stayed at the Freehand Hostel. Loved the property. The rooms are a bit small. And I had some famous deep dish Chicago pizza. Kind of small for $11, but tasty. The next morning, I take a quick cab to the airport. Well, guys, it looks like the second part of this adventure begins. Okay, it's fortunate I want to get a window seat. But holy smoly, this is tight. Okay. Oh, so tight.
Just try not to.
Is it starting to look familiar yet? I made it. Okay, this isn't working. Let me turn you around. Okay, guys. Here I am. Las Vegas. Woo-hoo! Second part of my adventure.